this video, I am going to be answering the popular questions you've been asking on Google or YouTube. What is audience name on Instagram ads promotion? My name is Ayo and this is Ayo is Marketing. You're welcome to this video. Now, in case you're new to this channel, we post about Google ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, and popular questions you have about advertising in general. So you want to do yourself a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon. Okay, drop a comment, say let's go Mr. Ayo. Do that right now. I'm waiting for you to keep the fire burning up. For those of you who have problem with Instagram ads payment method, your target audience, whatever problem you have concerning all forms of advertising, you can chat me on WhatsApp using this number you see on the screen or that's in the description box, and we're going to solve any issue you have concerning TikTok ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, and so much more. What is audience name on Instagram promotion or Instagram ads? Now listen to me very carefully. For each and every campaign you want to create, now when you get to the ad set level, you are supposed to set up your audience targeting, in which this is going to determine who and where your ads will go to for you to be able to get conversions for your ads and make more money, right? Make more profit, which is the goal of every business owner. Now when you get to that place, you're going to see a box. Either you are using your application or you're using the laptop or desktop view, you're going to see a box that says audience name. Then after it, you're going to see your location, you're going to see interest. Now in that audience name, this is where you are supposed to input the name of the particular audience you want to use for that campaign. So should in case you want to create another campaign in future, you can be able to differentiate that this is the audience I created for this particular campaign. Probably, maybe for example, I created this audience for my bag business to get more sales. So should in case you want to advertise and promote another form of business, so you can be able to know if you want to use this same audience that is saved in your ads account, or you are going to create another new audience, and you can be able to give it a name you can always remember, so you don't mix up a particular audience with each other. Simple as ABC. It's just a name you give your audience, right? So that you don't mix it up whenever you are trying to create new campaign, or so you can keep using it in future. So if you like this video, if this answer your question, drop it below. Say yes Mr. Ayo. Thank you very much, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye for now.